Hey guys, we're out here on one of our projects today. We just got done. We had a water leak, so what we ended up doing is demoing out all the house. Then we brought in our water mitigation equipment to eliminate any of the water and the moisture, dry everything out, spread our chemicals, got everything treated, and now we're back at the reconstruction phase. So part of that, we had to fight back and forth with the insurance carrier. Biggest thing there was insurance just kind of had a lot of rebuttals against us. So at that moment in time, after we played back and forth a little bit, nobody was making sense, so we ended up getting supervision involved to make sure our client was taken care of as quickly as possible. So we finally got supervision out here, and then once we did that, we started getting everything in motion. So we're still waiting on some funds to come in from insurance to mortgage and then back to us through our client. But at the same time, we don't want to hold the project up too long, so we do have all of our supplements in motion, which your supplement is mainly taking your first chunk of insurance, which is the estimate from insurance. Then what we do is supplement asking for additional scope of work to be covered, right? We're not going to negotiate any pricing, any numbers, stuff like that. That's illegal to actually do with your insurance company as a contractor, but we can discuss the scope of work. So once we get everything scope of work discussed, or we got it in motion, as long as everything else is green light approved, we can kind of get that started. So as you can see throughout the whole house, and we'll do a quick walkthrough. You got all the sheetrock kind of in motion. We got to do a good sand on it. Once we get a good sand, do another couple coats of mud, and then from there, blend everything in, fresh texture, fresh paint job, and kind of go from there. This is Garrett with Warrior Wolf. Y'all have a good day.